Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a Pavoni Professional. We increased the pressure or the heat with the pressure stat, so the gauge should read about 1.25. It'll turn on any second now. There we go. See it climbing, the needle and the gauge, that is. And it turned off. Anyway, let's see how we did. We're going to make a shot. All right, also I'm going to steam a little. Let's just clear this out. Nice, strong, steady steam. This down. There you go. Nice little cappuccino from a Pavoni Professional. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.